Good morning, everyone. It's origami time. Yay! Do you like origami? Yeah, do you like making something? Okay, today is an animal. Yes. Okay, so first, any color is okay. You need one piece of paper. I will use a green one. Okay, any color is okay. White, yellow, orange. Okay. So first, make a triangle. Triangle. You did it. Make a triangle. You did it. And open. And this way. The line is from top to down. So next time, this way. Make a triangle. Okay, let's do it. Are you okay? So look at this. The middle of the triangle, we have a line. So please fold like this. The other side is the same things. Okay, try. Are you okay? Okay. Next, so please fold like this. Okay, the other side is the same, this one. Okay, try. Okay, you can do this one. Next, so you can hold this here and the other side. So you can do like this. Okay, wait a moment, please. Okay. Yes, what's this? Glug. It's a frog. It's a frog. Yeah, and his mouth is open and shut. So, glug. Talking frog. Okay, so let's make again. Okay, thank you for joining today's origami time. See you next time. Bye bye.